What's up, guys? I'm going to be playing against Martin in a game of Jailbreak. This is a chess variant that I made up on my own, and the way it works is this is my king. This is the jail. It's a small jail. Maybe it's like a county jail or something, but I need to escape and get my king to the first rank without getting checkmated, and I have to do it in 50 moves or less. If I am able to do that, I win. If Martin checkmates me or prevents me for longer than 50 moves, Martin wins. And after we try the county jail, if it's too easy, I will jump over to the high security prison here and do the same thing. Try to get down here. So I've never done this before. I have no idea what's going to happen or how this is going to work, but let's give it a try. So I think I am going to go here. Okay, so he's not letting me out yet. So let's actually go back and maybe take this pawn. Okay, he's still not letting me escape. I don't know if I want to take these pawns because then I might get checkmated. So I'm kind of not wanting to take them. Is he just going to leave the rook there the whole time? Come on, dude. Okay, let's actually go for it. Okay. Okay, Martin. He has mate in 6. Come on, dude. This is proving more difficult than I expected. Mate in 7, mate in 5. Ooh, all right. That's some progress. Oh, Martin, thank you. Thank you. Come on. He's going to go back and forth. Let's go this way. No, okay. Okay. Mate in 5. Oh! That, my friends, is a victory. 22 moves. We escaped the prison and successfully made it to the first rank. Good game, Martin, but that was too easy. Let's jump over to now the high security prison and try this again. So I'm going to practice and I'm going to change the bots to be Martin. And here we go. All right. I only have 2 moves, so I guess I'll just take this one. Okay. I could take this. That seems risky, but let's do it. Well, mate in 3 now? Oh my. All right, let's go back here. Mate in 4. Let's go over here. I'm a little bit scared. Let's see. Can't take that. I could take this one. I could take this one. Mate in 4. Those bishops are a problem. All right, let's try to sneak around over here. Should we take this guy? He's mate in 4. He stalemated me. I don't know what happens in a stalemate. Do I win in a stalemate? I guess it's just a draw. Okay. Martin, you got to watch out for stalemate. That kind of ruins the video. All right, let's try again. Let's try that again. And hopefully Martin will be more careful this time. I'm going to go this way. I'm going to leave maybe that pawn. Let's see if I can come this direction. He can't stalemate me. The problem is these bishops. I can't take anything. There's like no way. How in the world am I going to get out of this? Let's take this. I'm totally stuck. I'm totally stuck. Unless he moves the bishops away, which he's not doing because I don't know what he's doing. He has mate in 3. He's pushing the pawn. There he moved it, but I still can't take anything. 14 moves. Okay, here we go. I can take a pawn. I can take another pawn. He baited me. He baited me for that one. Okay. This is proving challenging. I have an idea to make it a little bit more fair. All right, the white pieces are sending in a tactical team consisting of 2 knights. Let's try it again. Practice versus computer. Let's switch it. Martin. All right. So same thing. King has to get down here, but I have these guys to assist me in my journey, and I'm going to start by moving this one here. Okay. And this one, let's see if we can get rid of some of these bishops. I think that's really going to help me. We'll take that one. All right. He's not going to take it. Let's see. Let's go back. All right, we'll take this. If he's not going to take it, okay. All right. Well, it was good while it lasted. We did get rid of the white squared bishop, which is nice. I can start taking some things here. I feel like he's going to take my knight if I try to move it. Maybe I'll just leave it. Okay, he's defending that. Oh, let's go for it. Mate in 5. Let's go see if I can take his rook. He fell for it. All right. Let's take... Should I take that? Yeah, we'll take that. All right, let's make a break for it. I think now's the moment. We're going to go. We're going to go. We're going to go. Uh-oh. Can't go up. Okay. How do we do this? Maybe we need to use this guy to help. Let's see. Maybe I can come here and... Oh, I didn't see that. I got forked by Martin. Okay, he didn't take it. And, alright, now we can come this way. We're at 20 moves, so we have 30 moves. Oh, the rook. I keep forgetting about the rook. Alright, we gotta... Let's see. Is he gonna see that? He might see that, but it's a chance we gotta take. Alright, we can get rid of one of these guys. Okay, here we go. Let's take this. I mean, I might be able to just sneak by like this if he doesn't take my knight. If he takes my knight, I'm in trouble. Okay, he didn't take it. I still can't get out, though. Oh, boy. How can I do this? Maybe we can attack the bishop, get him to move the bishop. He might fork me, or just take it. Yep, that's also an option. Come on, Martin. All right, let's go back here. I think we failed. Yep. Man. All right. All right. This is challenging. You know what this means. We need a larger tactical team. Let's do it again, except this time we're bringing in the bishops. All right. Here we go. Practice. Change the bot. Come on, Martin. And here we go. All right. So troops have landed. Let's go. Take this guy. Let's take this guy. Let's see if we can take some more of these bishops. Perfect. Okay, he is taking them. All right, we got rid of that. Let's take this with check. Take this. Let's see if I can snag a rook here. Perfect. Okay, he did see that. And now we can sort of grab some of these pawns. Yeah, let's go ahead and actually just take some pawns while we're here. Okay. Let's come over here. He's defending that, but I have my knight. Very good. Very good. Thank you very much. We're at move 19 and things are looking very well. Things are going very well, I should say. I'm going to go for it. I'm going to go for it right here. I think I see it. Yep. 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 Oh, yes. We have escaped. It only took 4 extra pieces, but we did it. All right, final challenge. Same rules, but we have this position where I have given Martin 2 light squared bishops, which is plenty to checkmate my king if he knows how to use them. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep going. He did stop me. Let's go back. Let's go here. No, we don't want to draw. Uh-oh. It's making 2. Making 3. Okay, let's try it again. Ooh. Okay. Okay, he does see checkmate in 1. I should have avoided that. Let's try that one more time. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Ooh, let's go here. And here. Can't get through unless he moves one of those bishops. He's not doing. Okay, he moved that one, but it's not where I needed it to be. Oh boy. Come on, Martin. I can't go there. Yeah, I'm not able to get through. He's not moving them. Come on, dude. Just there you go. No, I still can't. Okay. 21 moves, and we're not making any progress. Let's go to the corner, see what he does. Oh, he's going to have checkmate if I go there. I can't go there. He has mate in 2. He moves that one there. He's not going to do it, is he? Oh, he did. He moved it, finally. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see. He has to move this one now? Come on. Come on, Martin. Where I move 32? He's not moving it, is he? If I go here, am I getting checkmated? No. I can't get through. I can't do it. Draw by repetition. Okay, well, that one's much more difficult because he's just not moving the bishops, but hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know if you have any ideas for future Martin videos, and as always, stay sharp, play smart. Take care.